Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope everything is fine, and today we have another a very beautiful facade video, right? So we are going to be making a facade for this massing on site, this pattern that I've made, and this structure that I'm working on. So let's go to our site, let's quickly get started, and we are going to be using the general model adaptive. And the size of the pattern is, for example, let's quickly press N and let's go to millimeters, let's go to 2,000 places. Okay. The size that I've set is 2,500. Alright, here you go. So the overall pattern is, it's nothing hard, it's very easy. Paste, and that's wrong. So paste, I said it's easy and I made a mistake. So paste both of these points. After that, click on both of the points and change the host. Okay, we have to do it one by one. I change the host to level 1 and change the host to level 1. Let's go to our top and move this by the right side by 500 mm, and this one right here is going to be MV and 500 mm. Perfect. And now we have to change the horizontal distance, the vertical distance of this into a controllable parameter. So first offset, type, and this one right here is going to be your new, this is going to be the second offset. Perfect. Let's bring down to here, this is 500 mm, and let's go to our this, check this out. So 500 mm is for type 1, and type 2 is going to be, and type 2 this is going to be 0, and this right here is going to be 500. Alright, here we go. Okay, so now let's go back to our type 1 and let's go to reference, let's go to lines, let's activate 3D, and 1, 2, 3 right here, and reference, and 1 and 2 right here. So 1, 2 and 3, and here you go, 1, 2 and alright, here you go, very easy, nothing that hard. The overall shape and today's video is not hard, alright, it's easy. And check this out guys, so our first pattern is made already, and now let's go to type 2. Alright, so that one got down and this one got up. Alright, so reference, lines, 3D, and this is gonna be from this end to that end. Fine, and from this end to this end, here you go. So 1 and 2 and 3 right here. Okay, and fine. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 right here. And 1 and 2 and 3 right here. And here you go guys, check this out. So after that, let's go to this, let's go to filters, let's go to check none, let's go to curtain panels, let's press OK, let's bring this and what I mistakenly said, let's go to filters, check none, curtain panels, and let's go for materials, let's go to ALUMINIUM, something white, something aluminum, or how about ACM? Okay, how about POLYESTER, guys, we're wasting time. Polyester, yes, this is the one. Okay, okay, let's just choose this, and let's go for rendered appearance. Okay, and now load into the project. We are done, fine. And this is the pattern, and let's go for this, and let's try to find our family. So this is family number 1, and check this out guys, we are complete, right? And we can even do another thing. For example, if you go to back and if you press CM, so now let's paste our families. For example, 1 and 2 right here, and 3 and 4. Alright, and the same case is gonna be for this one. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And let's go to modify. Let's try to individually change this from family 1 to family 2, and this one right here is again gonna be family 2, and that is gonna be family 1. And now if we select all of them, and if we go to paste, and check this out guys, so our beautiful pattern is complete, right? This is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this, right? I'm going to include the final renders in the end, and this is our beautiful pattern. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.